Hey everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we are still on the hunt for some 2021 merch, right?
Yes.
We still want to actually find some other awesome new merch. But we came actually here for Buena Vista Street. It's my wife's first time here at Buena Vista Street. So we wanted to check it out and have some awesome fun. So, if you're ready, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Look at our merch. Let's go. All right, parked our car, check. Bag, check. Mask, check. Kiss, no. Now, there's one thing that actually I've been wanting to do for so long, but I'm hoping that Disney actually opens so I can get my 2021 Disney Kiss. But today, we are on a merch search for 2021. Now, we did go to the Disney store over in Brea Mall to see if we actually had any merch that was coming outside of this downtown Disney, but unfortunately, the most part, we weren't able to find any merch. So we came to the one place that will have the awesome merch, which is downtown Disney. Now we're gonna check out downtown Disney. We're gonna check out Buena Vista Street, and we're gonna check out Backlot as well. I actually want my wife to share in the moment of Buena Vista Street because I actually came for opening weekend and it was actually really fun. So I want her to get immersed into the feeling. Now, again, we all know, can't go to Warbeaners, you can't go to Carte Circle, or even Smoke Jumper's Grill. We can actually get immersed in the Disney feels and Disney vibes for the New Year's because it's New Year's Eve and we're gonna have some awesome fun. It is search time. Let's go. So now this is the craziest part is that, look at this. When we were last here at the Uva Bar, right over there in the very top part, this was so packed with people to eat some awesome monster burgers and some awesome treats. But even right here too, which is a crowd, there's Black Tap. Black Tap was lined up here with a bunch of people, but because of the current stay-at-home order, no eating at downtown Disney anymore. You guys have to look at this crazy line. But before we actually do that, look at that. We are wearing our merch. I am really excited. Look at that. Finally unveiling our awesome merch. My wife actually is. It's actually pretty cool. She looks so cute in a little mask there. So, standing in line right now, it's actually not going too bad. I mean, it was all the way in the back over there. It seems like there's actually movement where it's flowing pretty fast. The line is huge. And we are almost to the very front because we want to check out the holiday stuff that they have here because I believe it's 70% off, what someone actually told me. But yeah, especially the mask too. If you actually see my wife's mask right there, we definitely showcased a little while ago right now. But definitely gonna check out the mask. We're gonna check out some holiday stuff, as well as I know Disney Soul has merch out right now. But if you guys haven't seen the movie Disney Soul and you guys actually have Disney Plus, I urge you guys really I recommend that movie 100%. It's an outstanding movie. The colors, the story, it's just everything about that movie is outstanding, and Disney did a really great job. So congrats to Disney for that one. We actually saw that the churro place is actually open, California Churro. I know we can't really eat inside the property, but before we leave, we're definitely gonna get a churro because, yes, to go. Because we're at downtown Disney, so we have to get a churro, right?
Can't come without churro.
No, never come to Disneyland without eating a churro. So that is their most iconic, and popcorn as well too, but we can't have popcorn, so we're definitely gonna supplement that with the churro. What's really cool here is, like always right there, you can save time and actually log onto this QR code to actually do a mobile checkout, which, you know, you can always ask the cast member as well about the mobile checkout. And look, we got greeted by Baby Yoda. Aw, look at this. Oh, this is awesome. Aw. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think he likes me very much. Uh-oh. Well, he's gone. Oh, Loungefly. How you amaze me. It's actually pretty cool to see actually these Disney Park Loungefly bags. These are actually pretty cool. Now, this one actually gets you immersed into the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, and I actually absolutely love it. It's pretty cool. Good job. Good job, Loungefly. Wow, so it actually arrives, which is the Lunar New Year's, and what's really awesome is these right here. Get these. My wife's favorite mini ears. Oh, this is awesome. My wife would actually love this. So these actually run about $29.99. So nice to get your Lunar New Year gear. For me, I'm actually a huge sucker for Coco because that movie was amazing. Especially the scene where it actually says, seize your moment. Where we're heading into 2021, we always gotta seize our moment. That's right. Look at this. Look at this. It is like our dog Daisy. We have to actually get this because it has a little Pluto dog in it. Oh, and I have to get these socks. Look at this. 'Tis the season. Oh man. Yes. Much needed to get these socks. So, still on the hunt for 2021 merch, but I couldn't stop here without actually looking at these still awesome looking gingerbread ears. I was actually walking over here and actually had to stop because you guys already know I love The Mandalorian and everything about Star Wars, and they have a whole small little section here full of Star Wars and Mandalorian. That's awesome. Now they have the Funkos, they have the shirts, they have the figurines, they have everything here. Now this actually brings me back to my childhood days when you actually are super excited about getting these little Pez dispensers and they have your favorite characters on them. This is actually pretty cool. Look at it. They have Grogu and they have Din. This is awesome. Look at this. This is actually really cool. Look at this. A ton more of Star Wars. Man, Disney, can I just take out my wallet and you just take everything from Star Wars? Because this is awesome. All their awesome merch. We're going to just keep walking and finding the 2021 merch. Where is it at? Let's just keep going. Now, the search is over. I actually found the 2021 merch. It took me to walk all the way down from the entrance to the back wall here. And it's so secluded because not a lot of people are here, which I'm kind of surprised. Probably because they're actually looking for the awesome 70% off and searching for some awesome deals. But for me, I wanted to check out some awesome new stuff that's coming out from Disney, which is this 2021 merch. 2020 didn't go as planned as we all wanted it to, but we actually are getting some awesome merch that are coming out. Look at this, 2021. Oh, and again, just like in Coco, we have to always say, we gotta seize our moment. Oh, look at this shirt right here. This is actually really, really solid. I love the colors that they actually utilize for the shirts. You guys already know, I am a huge hat person, so, oh, look at this. This is awesome. And another one that's actually pretty cool is the hats. Look at the hats, they look so cool. All the retro colors, I actually love this. It's like nice and brightly colored, and makes you stand out. And of course, look at this. We get the mugs. Has the Disneyland logo there. But look at this. This mug is outstanding. My wife actually always gets Starbucks and gets a refresher. Now this would be pretty cool for her to put it in. I love it. My daughter, she can actually find her nice little shirts and sweaters. And of course, we cannot stop without looking at the mini ears. Look at that, $29.99 standard price for all these awesome mini ears. Oh, this is so cool. We actually found it, guys. And look at, we even get the tote bags. Wow. If you're actually looking for your next awesome Christmas tree, look at this. Look no further. They got some awesome ornaments right here. Oh, this is so cool. And look at, we found it. We have found all of the awesome merch for Disney's Soul. Look at Joe Gardner. Wow, look at that. This is outstanding. So much merch. That is really cool. You can definitely get your Funko as well as you can get your figure as well. So that's actually pretty cool. I love that. And even have the kitty cat. Look at the cat. Oh man. And look guys, we have RC. Look at it. There's RC guys. Oh man. See you later RC. No, this is such an amazing feeling because I still remember going back over there when they actually had the opening day of Buena Vista Street, coming down over here, getting greeted by so many cast members here, and actually that line right there, if you actually see, it's halfway through what it actually was, and it's still pretty packed. Man, there was a lot of people that were packing up that line. It's just a weird feeling to be here when you have not as many people here. Here we are at Buena Vista Street. This is awesome. You feel like the Disney vibes right now? Aren't you missing this?
A little bit.
You know, it's such a great feeling to be here and hang out, and I get to be here with my wife, who I love, and love Disneyland too. You know, we missed you, Disney, but let's just keep going and check out some awesome stuff. Now, we actually left Buena Vista Street, kind of, and we're at Hollywood Land. Hollywood. This is such a great feeling. It still is to this day. My wife's actually just looking around and just getting an awe-inspiring feeling. And so the last time I was actually here, they actually blocked off where the off the page actually is. But what's awesome is that they actually open them up more, so you can definitely check out more of the trolley. We're gonna take some nice pictures near the trolley and just having a lot of fun. Hey guys, so I tried to get a nice little kiss face mask pic. Unable to. Wife gave me that no, we're not gonna kiss like that. So fortunately I didn't actually get my Disney kiss yet. We're actually over here at Hollywood Studios, at the studio store, to actually check out some more awesome merch. Check this out. Look at, it's a holiday porg. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I actually do like this. Oh man, should take it home and put it right next to Baca, huh? No. There is the spider bot. That is so cool looking. Wife actually found it is a Jingle Bell drink. Oh, this is so cool. This is what a lot of people are looking for right now. So the one thing that whenever we go to Fantasyland and ride those rides like Pinocchio and you have Peter Pan, Snow White, now there's one ride my wife and I absolutely love, and that's this guy right here, Mr. Toad himself. This ride is so amazing to me and it brings so many Disney amazingness. I love it. Now look at this, is the Enchanted Tiki Bar. Now this picture is so awesome. It is $8.99. Wow. Just this pic alone looks outstanding. Now you can't stand there and stare at this entire pic without wearing one of these right here. Look at this tiki shirt right here. There it is right there. Doesn't that guy remind you of something? Chris Evans? That's right. Chris Evans is going to be Buzz Lightyear. We're going to get a Captain America Buzz Lightyear. Nice. I love my Disney dog. Now, it's funny because I know for a fact that's Daisy right there. That is our little puppy. Especially Ray. That's Ray right there. My best friend would actually look at this. It's actually pretty funny. There it is. There's Butters. Whenever you don't give Butters his treats. See now, during these trying times, we all got to make sure we stay positive. Now, there's one thing my wife would actually 100% appreciate would be these right here. These are so awesome because now, look at this. They're like all the rides from Disneyland. You get Fantasmic. And then you get Toy Story Land. Look at that. These are so cool. And of course, soaring all around the world. Now, it still is soaring over California for me, no matter what. We're finding so many Chris Evans. Look at this. This is so cool. Oh wow, these are so cool. You got Monsters Inc. right over there. And then to the far right, as you can see right over there, look at that Avengers hanger right there. That is outstanding. And you get the Coca-Cola lounge, the Hollywood lounge. Coca-Cola machine right there. That is awesome. Just being this close to the Avengers hangar there with the Monsters Inc. This is really, really cool. Hey, hon, can we get some fresh candy? Huh? No? Only costs 10 cents. 5 cents. So one thing I actually did find, I didn't find my Walt Disney with the partners, but I did find DJ Rex. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is awesome. There's DJ Rex. Oh, this is so cool, man. Oh, I love it. How awesome is this? Look at this, Walt Disney Partners, wow. Designed by Dave Carrillo. Wow. Absolutely amazing. $29.99 if you guys want to purchase this. All right, guys, so that is it for today's awesome adventure. Did you have a lot of fun?
Yes.
I had such a great time. It was like almost like a date day with my wife. What was awesome was got some awesome churros, we got some awesome merch, and we got to see some 2021 merch. That was awesome, especially the Disney Soul.
Yes.
I absolutely love that movie. It's one of the things that you need to see. I urge you guys to come over here to Downtown Disney and check out their awesome merch. And as always, guys, hit that little like button right there. And then if you guys like my content, subscribe right now. And hit that comment section below if you guys already found your 2021 merch, as well as any other merch as well too, because I didn't actually find my Walt Disney Funko, unfortunately. We are gonna be onwards to the next adventure. Let's go.